Hyacinths. Just the name evokes images of vibrant colours and intoxicating scents. These flowers are a feast for the eyes and a treat for the nose. These spring-blooming bulbs are a true delight for the senses. Their vibrant colours and sweet fragrance make them a favourite among gardeners. They are a sure sign that winter's chill is finally receding. As the snow melts away, hyacinths emerge, bringing with them the promise of warmer days. It's time to welcome the warmth and joy of a new season. The sight of hyacinths in bloom signals the start of spring and the end of winter's gloom. Hyacinths are native to the Eastern Mediterranean. They have a rich history and have been cherished for centuries. However, they have become a beloved garden staple worldwide. From Europe to North America, hyacinths are celebrated for their beauty and fragrance. Their popularity is easy to understand. Not only are they beautiful, but they also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. They boast a stunning array of colours. Whether you prefer bold and bright or soft and subtle, there's a hyacinth for you. Choose from shades of pink, purple, blue, red, yellow, and even pristine white. The variety of colours allows you to create a vibrant and diverse garden. But their beauty doesn't stop at their vibrant hues. The intricate details of each petal add to their charm. Hyacinths are equally renowned for their intoxicating fragrance. Their scent is strong yet pleasant, making them a favourite for sensory gardens. It has the power to transform any garden into a sensory paradise. The fragrance of hyacinths can fill the air, creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. The sweet, heady perfume wafts through the air. It's a scent that can lift your spirits and bring a sense of peace. It's a true harbinger of spring. When hyacinths bloom, you know that spring has truly arrived. These beauties typically reach a height of 6 to 12 inches. Their compact size makes them versatile for various garden designs. This makes them ideal for borders, containers, and even indoor forcing. You can enjoy their beauty both outdoors and inside your home. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy their captivating beauty year after year. Planting hyacinths is a rewarding experience that brings joy every spring. Planting hyacinth bulbs is a simple process. It's the first step towards enjoying their springtime extravaganza. The ideal time for planting is in the fall. Aim for a time period between September and November, depending on your region's climate. Choose a location that enjoys full sun to partial shade. Good drainage is crucial. Hyacinths dislike sitting in waterlogged soil. They thrive in fertile, well-draining soil. Amend heavy clay soil with compost or grit. This will improve drainage. Plant the bulbs about 6 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart. Position them with the pointed end facing upwards. This ensures the shoots emerge correctly. Water the bulbs well after planting. This helps them establish themselves in their new home. For a stunning visual impact, consider planting hyacinths in clusters. This creates a dramatic burst of colour in the springtime landscape. You can also plant them in layers. This technique provides a succession of blooms. Once your hyacinths are settled in their new home, it's time to provide them with the care they need to flourish. These low-maintenance bulbs are relatively easy to please. A little attention goes a long way in ensuring a spectacular display. Watering is crucial, especially during periods of dry weather. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to bulb rot. Avoid watering directly on the bulbs or foliage. Water at the base of the plant. Applying a layer of mulch around the plants provides numerous benefits. It helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weed growth, and regulates soil temperature. Use organic mulch such as bark, chippings, or shredded leaves. Hyacinths are not heavy feeders. However, a light application of fertilizer in early spring can be beneficial. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates. Section 4. The Encore Post-Bloom Care for Continued Beauty. After their dazzling spring performance, hyacinths deserve a little post-bloom TLC. This care is essential to ensure that these beautiful flowers continue to thrive and bloom year after year. This ensures their continued health and encourages them to return with the same vigor the following year. Proper post-bloom care can make a significant difference in the longevity and vibrancy of your hyacinths. Once the flowers fade, use sharp, clean pruning shears to cut back the flower stalks. This step is crucial as it helps the plant redirect its energy. This redirects the plant's energy back to the bulb. Leave the foliage intact. The leaves play a vital role in the plant's life cycle. It will continue to photosynthesize. Photosynthesis is the process by which the plant converts sunlight into energy. This process replenishes the bulb's energy reserves for the next growing season. The healthier the leaves, the more energy they can store. Resist the temptation to braid or tie the foliage. While it might seem like a neat idea, it can actually harm the plant. This can damage the leaves. Damaged leaves are less efficient at photosynthesis. It hinders their ability to photosynthesize effectively. Healthy leaves are essential for the plant's overall well-being. Allow the foliage to die back naturally. This natural process is important for the plant's cycle. This typically takes about 6 to 8 weeks. Patience is key during this period. Once the foliage has completely yellowed and withered, you can gently lift the bulbs from the ground. Be careful not to damage the bulbs during this process. This is particularly useful if you want to store the bulbs for replanting in a different location. Proper storage is crucial for the bulb's health. Brush off any excess soil and allow the bulbs to dry in a cool, airy location for a few days. This drying period helps prevent mold and rot, ensuring the bulbs are ready for their next planting. Section 5. Troubleshooting for triumphant blooms, common issues and solutions. Hyacinths are generally trouble-free plants, but they can occasionally encounter a few issues. Familiarizing yourself with these common problems and their solutions can help you ensure healthy, vibrant blooms year after year. One of the most prevalent issues is bulb rot. This occurs when bulbs sit in waterlogged soil. Ensure adequate drainage by amending heavy soil. Avoid overwatering. Pests can also pose a threat to hyacinths. Aphids and slugs are known to target these plants. Aphids can be controlled by spraying the plants with a strong jet of water. Hand-pick slugs or use organic slug control methods. If you encounter yellowing or stunted growth, it could be a sign of nutrient deficiency. Amend the soil with compost or apply a balanced fertilizer to provide the necessary nutrients. Remember, prevention is key. Choosing healthy bulbs, planting in well-draining soil and providing proper care can go a long way in preventing most issues. Section 6. A rainbow of fragrance exploring popular hyacinth varieties. With their captivating beauty and intoxicating fragrance, it's no wonder that hyacinths come in a wide array of varieties. These flowers are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a delight for the senses, making them a popular choice among gardeners and flower enthusiasts alike. Each one boasts its unique charm and appeal, offering something special for every garden. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant colors or soft and subtle hues, there's a hyacinth variety that will perfectly complement your garden's aesthetic. Here are a few popular choices to consider for your garden. These varieties have been selected not only for their beauty, but also for their unique characteristics and growing habits. Blue Jacket. This variety lives up to its name with its stunning deep blue blooms. The rich color of Blue Jacket makes it a standout in any garden, providing a striking contrast to lighter colored flowers. The tightly packed florets create a dramatic visual impact, making it a favorite among those who love bold and eye-catching garden displays. Pink Pearl. This early bloomer is a favorite for its delicate pink hues and sweet fragrance. Its soft color and pleasant scent make it an excellent choice for creating a serene and inviting garden space. It adds a touch of elegance to any garden setting, blending beautifully with other spring flowers and creating a harmonious and peaceful atmosphere. City of Harlem. This variety boasts large, showy blooms in a vibrant shade of yellow. The bright and cheerful color of City of Harlem is perfect for adding a splash of sunshine to your garden. It's sure to brighten up any spring garden, making it a popular choice for those looking to create a lively and energetic garden space. Carnegie. For those who prefer a more understated elegance, Carnegie offers pristine white blooms with a delicate, sweet fragrance. Its pure white flowers are perfect for creating a clean and sophisticated look in your garden. Jan Boss. This variety stands out with its vibrant reddish-pink blooms. The bold colour of Janbos makes it a striking addition to any garden, providing a beautiful contrast to other spring flowers. It adds a bold splash of colour to the spring garden, making it a favourite among those who love vibrant and dynamic garden displays. These are just a few examples of the many stunning hyacinth varieties available. Each variety has its own unique charm and can bring something special to your garden. Explore different options and discover the ones that best suit your taste and garden style. With so many beautiful varieties to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect hyacinths to enhance your garden and delight your senses. Section 7. Unleash your inner gardener. Embrace the joy of hyacinths. Growing hyacinths is a rewarding experience that brings immense joy to gardeners of all levels. Their vibrant colours, intoxicating fragrance, and relative ease of care make them a truly special addition to any garden. From the moment you plant the bulbs in the fall to the first blooms of spring, the anticipation and excitement are palpable. Watching these beauties emerge from the ground, their tightly furled buds gradually unfurling into magnificent blooms, is a sight to behold. Hyacinths have the power to transform any space into a sensory paradise. Their vibrant hues add a much-needed splash of colour after a long winter. Their intoxicating fragrance fills the air with a sweet, heady perfume that is both uplifting and invigorating. So why wait? Embrace the joy of hyacinths and experience the magic they bring to your garden. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy their captivating beauty and intoxicating fragrance year after year.